sketch a
Circle graph.
circle graph for the day.
All right, here we go. Do you like sunny weather when you go on vacation?
Yes,
What
sir.
the survey was. All right. Here's our stuff. What do you notice? It's in percents. And you ought to be going, yeah, baby. I don't have to mess with fractions. So we draw our, ooh, that's a pretty good circle. All right, here we go. First one, 45. What do we know? What can we get close to?
50. A little less than 50.
All the way down would cut me a 50%, but I need a 45.
A little less than half.
So I'm going to go to my center and do what?
Little less.
Right there? Is that okay? Okay, and call that 45% and call it VID00003. All right. Okay, that takes care of 45. 30%.
Just 15 less than.
It's 15 less than this, but there's an easier way. I like the way you're thinking, but there's an easier way. If I did straight across here like this and make me a corner, that's how much?
25.
25, but I need 30. So I just did me a little quick sketch for 25 and give myself another little chunk, and I bet you that's close to 30% showing. What do you think? And call it? Impo. All right. That takes care of him.
Is that just a peace sign?
Okay. Now what's left?
Not very.
A 15 and a 10.
15 to 11.
Which add up to,
25.
does that look like a 25 piece?
Yes.
Pretty close. Pretty close. So I need a halfway would be 12, right? So I need a little bit littler than that, right? And call that one 10. Call this one 15. And call 15 not very and not at all. And this is our sunshine on vacation was the survey. Do you like sunshine on the vacation?
When there's questions that we have to make a pie chart, are we supposed to make it as close as possible?
As close as you can. But I'm teaching us we can make it close as possible without getting our measuring devices and all that if we use some common senso. Just use some common sense. Don't draw this, but look. You got a problem with that?
Yeah.
I'd have a problem with that because that looks like one of those 90-degree corners and it's supposed to be 25. So little common sense tells me don't trust that. All right? Next one over there, girlfriend.
Which sport?
Favorite sport. Okay, far side.
What sport is the favorite of the people survived?
Survived. Okay. So we come over here, fat man coming. Fat man coming. Fat man coming. All right. What is the favorite sport of the people surveyed? How are you going to find that?
Look at the chart.
All right, quit being ding dong. I'm going to look at it. How are you going to find the favorite? Read it. You're still being ding dongs. The biggest piece of pie. Good. Now, I'm going to look at it. Well, what are you going to do when you look at it? Well, I'm going to wink at it. Determine the biggest piece of the pie. So what's the favorite sport?
Baseball.
According to this survey, baseball. All righty. Next question there, Bridesman.
What sport was the favorite for the smallest percentage?
Ooh, do you hear some words in there that try to confuse you?
Yes.
What is the favorite for the smallest percentage? Ooh, now read it
But
carefully.
giraffe is the favorite
So what are we
sport.
gonna look for? And don't say I'm gonna look at it.
The tiniest piece?
The tiniest piece,
Hockey.
which is hockey, according to this survey. Okay? Next one, why not?
Which sports were the favorite of about the same number of people?
Which sports were the favorite? Oh, but then what does it say?
About the same number of people.
Same number of people. So what am I looking for?
Football.
What am I looking for?
About the same.
Two that are almost the same because it says about the same. Which one are almost the same?
Football.
Football?
Basketball.
B-ball.
Hey, ball. Oop, forgot the T. Hey. All right. Last question over there, Raymond.
Which sport is the favorite of half as many people as basketball?
Keywords.
Half.
Half
Half
as many.
as
Basketball.
basketball. Basketball was,
That's baseball. 20. That's
oh, thank you. Basketball,
20.
20. Half
Hockey.
is 10. Hockey, again, is the answer. Kill it, dude.